Hey, JP, man, I am sorry.
Have you heard the numbers? I'm a 51% chance to be governor, but I am 100 grand in debt. They're gonna take my house.
Wait, so you haven't heard?
Heard what?
Nothing? Nothing. Listen, I bet you that 100 grand, you can't use the word horse once per sentence for the next 2 days, starting in 1 hour.
You just saved my ass, sucker. It's the weekend. That's gonna be a piece of cake. Oh, God. Hi, honey. You're where? You're up a clock tower shooting. No shooting people.
Boom! Boom, baby!
Oh, hold on. It's the campaign manager. Hi. Press conference.
Press conference!
How does it feel to have driven your lovely wife to kill innocent people by your philandering?
It's a horse of a tragedy.
What will you say to the victims of your wife's rampage?
There are no words that could express my revulsion at the death of their loved ones, which is why I could say anything right now, such as, I don't know, horse.
What about you pushed your wife over the edge, Mr. Nickel?
That would be my horse.
Mr. Nickel, why do you keep saying horse?
James Sandlin Ashby, knowing full well that I would have to speak to the public about this tragedy, bet me $100,000 that I couldn't say horse once per sentence this weekend.
So, like, any soundbite we get from you, you have to say horse.
Your opponent, Mrs. Jones, said she wasn't very satisfied with your leadership style. What do you think made her open her mouth on that?
Stop it! A horse.
There are a lot of children in need of special care in the world. What can you personally give to them?
A horse.
Mr. Nickel! No, Mr. Nickel, what sort of thing could a man give you that would change your stance on gay marriage?
A horse.
If you're a secret communist fascist who loves terrorism and abortion, hates small towns and factory workers, and is fond of the racial slurs, please say horse in this next sentence.
Horse. 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 Are we done with this horse of a press conference?
I've been shooting people for the last 6 hours, and you haven't even called in the cops yet.
Oh my God. Honey, put the gun down. Before you horse this situation up.
What? Are you playing games with me?
Oh! Horse, that hurts.
Stop it!
Oh. Sweetheart, if I don't say horse, James will call the hospital.